Good afternoon. Repeat. Good afternoon. My name is Luis. My name is Luis. What is your name? Listen to me. My name is Luis. What is your name? Say, Mr. Clóvis. My name is Clóvis. Okay, your name is Clóvis. Mr. Clóvis, I am 68 years old. I am 68 years old. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? I will repeat. My name is Luis, and I am 68 years old. I am 68 years old. Repeat. I am 68 years old. Okay, great. Now I am asking you, Mr. Clóvis, how old are you? How old are you? Do you understand? Repeat the question. How old are you? I will say again. How old are you, Mr. Clóvis? So, you will say, future. You will say, I am Mr. Clóvis, and I am 69 years old. So, repeat, Mr. Clóvis. I am Mr. Clóvis, and I am 69 years old. Again, I am Mr. Clóvis, and I am 69 years old. Great, Mr. Clóvis, great. Now, I'm asking you, Mr. Clóvis, I'm not married. I have a girlfriend. But you, Mr. Clóvis, you are married? Yes, right? So, I'm asking you now. I ask you now. Or I am asking you now. Mr. Clóvis, are you married? I will repeat. Mr. Clóvis, are you married? Okay? You will answer. Yes, Mr. Luis, I am married. I have my wife. Oh, great, Mr. Clóvis. You are married. You have your wife. Say again. My name is Clóvis. I am 69 years old and I am married. I have my wife. Oh, great, great. You're married and you have your wife. Now, Mr. Clóvis, I will ask you, what is the name of your wife? What is the name of your wife? I will repeat. What is the name of your wife? And now, Mr. Clóvis, you will tell me. You will tell me. Mr. Luis, the name of my wife is Selene. Say again, Mr. Clóvis. Okay, Mr. Luis. The name of my wife is Selene. Say again, Mr. Clóvis. Say again. The name of my wife is Selene. Great, Mr. Clóvis. The name of your wife is Selene. Okay. Mr. Clóvis, what do you do as a job? Mr. Clóvis, what do you do as a job? I will future. I will repeat. Mr. Clóvis, what do you do as a job? And then you, Mr. Clóvis, will tell me. You will tell me. Mr. Luis, I am a medical doctor. I am a medical doctor. Say again. I am a medical doctor. Oh, great, Mr. Clóvis. You are a medical doctor. Great, marvelous. And Mr. Clóvis, do you work in a hospital? Mr. Clóvis, do you work in a hospital? I will repeat. Mr. Clóvis, do you work in a hospital? You tell me. No, Mr. Luis, I do not work in a hospital. No, Mr. Luis, I do not work in a hospital. I work in a clinic. I work in my own office. I work in my own office. Say everything again. Mr. Luis, I do not work in a hospital. I work in a clinic. I work in a clinic. I work in my own office. I have an office. So I work in my own office. Oh, that's great. So, Mr. Clóvis, How many days? How many days do you work a week? I will repeat. So, Mr. Clóvis, how many days do you work a week? You tell me now. You, Mr. Clóvis, tell me now. Mr. Luis, I work only 3 days a week. I work only 3 days a week. I work Wednesday, I work Thursday, I work Saturday. Say again, Mr. Clóvis. I will repeat, Mr. Luis. I work only 3 days a week. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days a week. I work Wednesday, I work Thursday, and I work Saturday. 3 days only. The other 4 days, I am off. Okay, you work, Mr. Clóvis, 3 days a week, 3 days a week. You go to your office and then you work. And then you stay off. You stay home 4 days a week. That means 4 days a week, 1, 2, 3, 4. You do not work. You do not work. You are off. You are off. Okay, Mr. Clóvis. Do you have in the clinic, in your office, many patients? I will repeat. Mr. Clóvis, do you have in your office many patients? And then you, Mr. Clóvis, tell me. Mr. Luis, I have many patients. I have many patients. Oh, great, Mr. Clóvis. You do not have one patient, not 2 patients. You have many patients that you go into your medical clinic, that your office, and to be consulted. You are the medical doctor. You are a medical doctor, and you give to the patients the prescriptions to buy the medication. You give to the patients the prescriptions to buy the medication. So, Mr. Clóvis, that's all for today. That's all for today. The next time, you and me will continue. Great? Okay. The next time we will continue. Okay? Okay, Mr. Clóvis. Bye-bye.